Okay, here we are. Last one, we're putting in some really big koi into Manhattan Beach's nicest koi pond, or it's at least in the top two. It's an angel fin. Check that one out. It's an angel fin. Okay, you guys. And here we go. Rick, what do you think about your new your new family?
So much.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Check out this pond. It's the only pond I know of, koi pond in Manhattan Beach. It actually goes up the entire, I mean, there's the other, from one end of the property to the other. It's got the OASE filter over there. Yeah. One proud pond owner, and you can tell because look at how meticulous the plants are kept. Pond doesn't just look this way automatically. It takes work and dedication, and that's because you love your wet pets.